In this video, we have to add prop type support to Gizmo application that we created in our previous exercise. And for better understanding, we can also go through this link to understand how it works. Here we have type checking with prop type. And if you want to see how it works is, first we have to install a package named PropTypes. So that is what we are going to do first. So we'll open our terminal here and we'll say npm install PropTypes. So what it will do, it will go ahead and install PropTypes package. And now what we need to do, inside every component that is using any kind of props, we will have to validate it like this. So I'll just copy this from here and we'll take a look at the component that is using props. So article is the only component that is using prop here because this is the only dynamic component we have in our Gizmo application for now. So here what we can do, we can write article dot prop types and we will take a look at what all props we are getting access to. Easiest way to do that is go into our components of React Dev Tools and look at it here. So here we can see we have author. So we'll just say author. So now we have our prop types installed. We are importing it into this file from prop types package, and here we are saying article dot prop types. Author is going to be a string. Similarly, look at other things. Next thing we need is content. So we need similar to this, we'll say content is also going to be a string. Description is also going to be a string. Similarly, we'll go down here. We have everything as a string only. So what we'll do, we'll just replace all the keys, title, URL, and URL to image. So now when you refresh it, nothing will happen to your app. Everything will work in the same way, but you must be thinking, what is the use case of adding these prop types? In future, what can happen is, you can go on to your data file here and you expect the author to be a string, right? That is what you expect. But what if here I just send a data like true? When you refresh it, nothing changes here, but when you open your console, you will see a warning. And that warning says invalid prop author of type boolean. So in that way, you'll get to understand, okay, the data that I wanted was of type string, but instead we got a boolean. And that is not the right way to do it. And that is the use case of adding a prop types to a component. So whenever you write component that accepts any kind of prop, you should type check it by using prop types. This will help you a lot when your application becomes really big and finding problems become really hard. Most of other times, you will not only have string, but you will also have things like function, object, number, etc. So whenever you want to validate that, go through this list here and you will get to understand how you validate array, boolean, function, number, object, string, symbol, etc. So using PropTypes.array, PropTypes.boolean, PropTypes.bool, PropTypes.func, you will be able to validate it is a function or it is a boolean or array. So in this way, we completed this exercise.